evening, everyone. I am here to report Mr. Manong Angulario to fix the ingrown.
Hi, Sad. Oy, hi, Sad.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Manong Angulario. Paano ba yan? How can you fix that? Baho? In scientific method. Ingrown is composed of bacteria with a 100% high voltage virus that cannot be seen, but it will be dead. So, if it is blooding or bleeding, you may kill. Die after die, instead of the spot.
Who is the victim?
With the victim, the number one victim is...
Oh my God!
Manya.
Oh,
Manya.
let me see your face. Come on.
Inhaling is ingrown. Where is my dog? Where is my dog? My dog?
Okay, the dog.
Go. This ingrown is here.
What?
This ingrown is here. A big footed foot that
Oh.
cannot be seen because of its black shoes. This black shoes is composed of many bacteria also, so that her shoes have suffered ingrown. Inhaling this, we may correct about this bacterial. Correction number one. Ito call the name of the ingronic bacteria. Go away. Number two, we must stop it. Repeat the kick. Go. Number three, we must kick his ass so that he will out and the bacteria will go away. This juice. And number four, the number one, this bacteria will gone, and after that, he may come back as soon as possible because he may die dead on the spot. That's all, guys. Thank you. For your information, please call 259-899.
Okay, let's interview the victim. The victim. Okay, what have you felt? Did you have ingrown, sir? Speechless?
I love.
Speechless?
My speechless child because he's an abnormalic child.
Oh my God.
So, ask me concerned about this because I know this brain is composed of many bacteria also found in the
Is ingrown very